Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida, and today we're here for the Seven Seas Festival directly behind me. So we're gonna go around, check out what kind of food they got. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Let's check this out. It says Thursday and Sunday through May 4th. This seems actually might be the last day for it.
Oh, it is,
Oh
isn't
no.
it? So by the time you watch this, it's gonna be done.
Yeah,
But maybe you'll know
whatever.
for next year.
We're bad YouTubers.
All right.
All right, guys. Like Lewis said, we're here in SeaWorld today. We are finally here to try out the Seven Seas food. So we haven't done that yet. So Lewis is gonna buy the lanyard, and then we're gonna try out the snacks. Let's go. All right. Step number one: All American Market.
So yeah, so first up, I think we'll get the lobster mac and cheese, and we'll get the cannonball wings.
All right. We'll use the lobster mac and cheese. I can't
Give it a try.
I can't do that. That's okay.
All right.
You can.
All right, so we're gonna start off here. We got the lobster mac and cheese. It's in an ice cream cone. So that's an interesting choice.
Yeah. Zero waste, right?
Okay, that's like sweet with like the savory. The lobster mac and cheese is good, but it's a weird combination with the cone. Then we got the cannonball wings. So if you don't have the lanyard, this would be like $12 for 3 wings. It's like insane. They are good. So not really spicy. You think with cannonball they'd be spicy, but they're
a little sticky. They look sticky.
They're just like barbecue flavor. Yeah, but they're good.
So guys, here at the Polynesian market, looking at that Ahi Tuna poke nachos. That sounds good. Okay, so I only wanted one of these, but I guess somehow they rang up 2, and that's awesome. So I have 2 Ahi Tuna nacho things to try out. So there we go.
All right, so next up we got the fish and chips. So a little bit, just a little bit of tartar sauce, not nearly enough. Not bad.
Yeah.
They've been sitting out for a while, you can tell.
My Ahi's just okay. This is what happens when you come to the food festival the last day.
That, and they're also out of stuff. Like, we tried to get some of the desserts. Yeah, we tried one pineapple upside down cake. Christine wanted the
Boston cream cheese cake.
Boston cream cheese cake.
They're gone.
Didn't have that either, so
Oh well.
we're gonna see what else we can find.
All right, guys, so we just tried the Ahi Tuna and the fish and chips. They were just okay. They weren't great.
Yeah, that Ahi Tuna did not taste fresh. I'm not usually a big Ahi Tuna fan, but that one was particularly gross. And to top it off, I ordered 1 and we got 2. And 2 hole punches, so.
Hey guys, it's last day, they want to get rid of stuff, but the guy looked at us like we were crazy because we wanted 2 separate things and they didn't have the cake that we wanted. So we got 2 tunas. There you go. All right, here we got the German markets. We're going to get the footlong pretzel on a stick.
So you're gonna get the chocolate pretzel on a stick. I'll tell you what that looks like.
My business is Lewis.
What is that? This thing is huge.
Delicious is what it is. We're going to take some pictures that I will not put on the internet. And then I'll let you guys know what it tastes like.
They also have a cinnamon sugar version too. I got just a bite of the cinnamon sugar one, so you give that a try. Can't go wrong with cinnamon sugar. I mean, that's
But there's chocolate.
good. A little dry though.
The stick goes all the way to the end. Have your napkin, please, my love. There's one right there behind you. How bad is it?
This is bad.
Is it? It's warm. It's salt. It's not salty. It's warm. It's chocolatey. It's messy. It's a good snack. But like, don't wear weight with it.
Man, it's like so heavy, like the stick is bending.
Good? No?
I don't like it.
I love it. So just leave me and my chocolate stick alone. You're dripping chocolate everywhere.
Yeah.
I think it's great. Recommend it.
Again, the bread is kind of dry.
But it's good though. All right, guys, we just got a snack from the India market, and it's almost closing time, so we're kind of rushing this. But baby, what did you get?
Yeah, so we're back for round 2. It's dinner time. And we got the vegetable samosas, which I love a good samosa. Honestly, I've never had a bad samosa, so we're gonna see if SeaWorld if SeaWorld managed to make it bad.
What zip is that? Is it like a chickpea? Is it like a hummus?
No, it's pretty good. Yeah, I got some hummus.
Okay.
Never had a samosa with hummus though. So they are tasty. A little on the small side usually. Like I was expecting like 1 big samosa. I got 3 small ones.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty good. But in addition to that, we got some chicken tikka masala. That's tasty as well. Indian food's so good.
Yeah.
So, I like it.
All right, so we're back in Germany. Lewis wanted a brat. Here we go.
Another snack for dinner here. We got a bratwurst. They are out of sour cream, but they got some sort of cheese on there, and it's on a.
Sour cream and sauerkraut.
They were out of sauerkraut. They're out of sauerkraut, but they got some sort of cheese on there, and it's on a pretzel bun. Looks good. That is good. Hot take: by royal decree, all bratwurst should be served on pretzel buns.
You didn't even like pretzel.
I don't like salt.
Oh.
These have no salt.
Okay.
Good.
All right. We literally have one punch left. I am full, but we're gonna see if we can find maybe a dessert on the way out. So there you go. So Lewis would like to clarify. There's 3 of us here today, and we all had snacks and food and all that kind of thing, and then we also bought a lot of soda too because it's today's last day at the festival, and we can't carry this over. So there you go. All right, guys. Last but not least, we're gonna get the Caribbean. Well, we're at the Caribbean, and we're gonna get some rum cake.
And so for dessert, our final punch of the day, we got us some rum cake. It's got like a piece of plastic wrapped around it.
Yeah, to hold the form. Here, you're gonna peel it. It's right here.
Oh, okay. SeaWorld's closed, so
Yeah. Last bite of the fair, or the festival rather.
there we go. Very good. Can't go wrong with rum cake, really. And this one is like perfectly chilled too. It's a nice cool dessert to the end of a hot day. What was your favorite food?
I like the pretzel. It was chocolate, it was warm, it was pretzely, it was sprinkly. That was great. Recommend that one.
There you have it, folks. That's a wrap.
All right, guys, we're going to wrap up the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time at the festival, considering it's the last day. But all that being said, here's Lewis with your outro.
All right, guys, so I know we're a lot late with this video. Last day of the festival. Obviously, by the time you see this, it's going to be out way after the festival's over. But kind of give you an idea of what to expect when you come to one of these festivals at SeaWorld. Maybe the next festival will have a similar sort of food, or next year they'll have the same stuff. Who knows? But either way, had a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. And that's going to do it for us today. So remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Good job, babe.
Oh, I forgot to mention favorite foods.
Okay.
So
The pretzel.
my favorite food was obviously the samosas. Yeah, they're one of the top 5 foods anyways. You can't go wrong with a samosa.
Bye. All right, go ahead, baby.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, do it one more time. And scoot a little closer to the sign.
Okay. Well, I thought we were maybe trying to shoot down the thing.
Yeah, well, all right, but I got it. Go ahead.
You want any of this?
No.
All right, guys, so I know we're a little late with... All right, guys, so I know we're a lot late. There's a ton of gnats. So I'm trying to rush because the park's about to close.
Yeah, you're good.
And this is the last night for it.
I'll say that.
Okay, there we go. We're free the rum cake.